Sarvebhyah Namo Namaha. Namaste to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyachetana Samskrutham. Today in this class we are learning about the Abhyasaha exercise of the first chapter Samskrita varnamala. So we'll start with the first mean. Shuddham vikalpam chitva riktasthanani purayata. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. The first question is Bharat ki sabse prachina bhasha dash hai. So there are three options: Sanskrita, Hindi, Angrezi. The oldest language of India is the first option, Sanskrita is the right option. The second question, वर्णों का क्रमबद्ध समूह dash कहलाता है. Arrangement of letters in a proper way is called the first option bhasha, second option varnabhed, and the third option varnamala. The chapter name varnamala is arrangement of letters in a proper way. So therefore third option is the right option. Now the third question, वर्गों का नाम वर्ग के डैश वर्ण पर आधारित होता है. So we have learnt swara and vyanjana. In vyanjana, the first 25 letters are made up in 5 groups: kavarga, chavarga, tavarga, tavarga. So these are the 5 groups. So these 5 groups are named on the basis of which letter of the group. So is it the second letter of the group, or is it the first letter of the group, or it is Panchama, fifth letter of the group? That is first letter of the group. Kavarga, Ka is the first letter of Kavarga. Chavarga, Cha is the first letter of Chavarga. So this is all it is based on. Now come to the fourth question. संस्कृत वर्णमाला में कुल डैश वर्ण होते हैं. So in Samskrita varnamala, total how many letters are there? The first option 13, it's a number of swaras, and the second option 33, it's a number of vyanjana. So including swara plus vyanjana, so the total number it is 46. So total 46 letters are there in Samskrita varnamala. So this is the first mean. Now come to the second mean. Shuddham ucharanam kuruta. Pronounce correctly. So the first question words are samnya, pankha, Hindi, sampurna. And the second question words are ramaha, shanaihi shanaihi, punaha, swataha. Now come to the third question. Nimna varnebhyah vyanjanani prathak kritva likhata. Separate the consonants, that is vyanjana letters, from the following alphabets and write in the blank. The first letter A, it is called swara, so we are not writing it in the blank. And the second letter is kahalant. Kahalant is vyanjana letter. Now come to the second letter, mahalant. It is again vyanjana letter. Now the next letter, yahalant. It is vyanjana letter. And the next letter, E, it is swara. So we are not writing this letter. And the next letter is ru. So this is also swara. And the next letter is tahalant. So tahalant is vyanjana letter. And the next letter chahalant. Chahalant is vyanjana letter. And the next letter is pahalant, is also vyanjana letter. And U is the swara. And the next letter is tahalant. So it is vyanjana letter. And the next letter la halant is also Vyanjana. And A is a Swara. So the next letter Sh is Vyanjana letter. And E is a Swara. Ra halant is Vyanjana letter. And A and O are Swara letters. So these are 10 letters, 10 Vyanjana letters we have in the given letters. Now come to the fourth mean. Vyanjanaihi saha swaran melayata likhata cha. So joining the consonants with vowels, joining Vyanjana letters with Swara letter. So one example is given already. Cha halant plus A, cha. So in Varna Samyojana we are going to learn this topic. So adding Swara letters to the Vyanjana letter is called Varna Samyojana. So the next question is Ba halant plus U. If we add U swara to the B letter, so it will become Bu. And the third question is Ma halant plus Ru. So it is Mru. And Sa halant plus A is Sa. And La halant plus E is Li. And the next letter P halant plus I, Pai. And N halant plus U is Nu. And J halant plus Au, Jau. T halant plus E, Thi. And the last letter R halant plus A is Re. So this is the fourth mean, adding Vyanjana letters plus Swara letters. And come to the fifth mean. Nimna Vyanjanani Varganusarena Likhata. So as we learnt 5 Vargas in this chapter, Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga, Pavarga. So in this cloud picture, the letters are given. So which are jumbled here, which belongs to these respective groups. We have to separate them. The first letter, Da halant. Da halant belongs to the Tavarga. And the next letter, Pa halant. Pa halant belongs to the Pavarga. And the next letter, Cha halant. Cha halant belongs to the Chavarga. And the next letter is Cha halant. Cha halant again belongs to the Chavarga. And Bha halant, which belongs to the Pavarga. And Tha halant, which belongs to the Tavarga. And the next letter, Gha halant, which belongs to the first group, Kavarga. And Dha halant, which belongs to the Tavarga. And Kha halant, which belongs to the first group, Kavarga. And Na halant, which belongs to the Tavarga. So this is how we have separated these letters according to the group basis. So here we completed with the exercise of the first chapter. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you to all of you.